Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you guys how to use Premium LLMs for free. So hopefully this is going to help people who have casual usage of the Premium LLMs and do not want to spend too much on the Premium LLMs. So that being said, let's get started. So as you can see here, so basically we have started a Gradio instance just to show you how this works. So after you follow today's tutorial, you should be able to have a public OpenAI compatible URL like this one and pick a model. In this case, it would be Gemini model, Gemini 3 Flash or Gemini 3 Pro or Gemini 3.1 Pro, so on and so forth, and also some Anthropic models. So those are very premium models. You can send a message like this, which model is this, or some other message you prefer. You should get a response like this. So for example, if you ask which model is this, you should have a response like I'm Gemini, a large language model built by Google. So this is what I'm going to show you guys how to build this today for free. So that being said, let's go to the Kaggle notebooks. So we're going to demo everything on Kaggle, and we're going to use Kaggle's benchmark AI. So if you have not heard of the Kaggle's benchmark AI, so basically it is a service that's created by Google. And because Kaggle is actually part of Google, and they have a daily limit of $10 and a monthly limit of $100. So you can use this credit to access free premium LLMs like I'm showing up in here. So you can just go to the benchmark. If you have not created benchmarks, just create one benchmark. And in the benchmark, you can see add models. So you can see all the premium models you can access, like Gemini 3.1, Gemini 3, Gemini 3 Pro, for example, also the DeepSeek models and also Anthropic models like Claude Sonnet 4.6, Claude Opus 4.6, so on and so forth. So very good. So if you have created the benchmark, you should be able to see in the add models, and you can also list available models using the benchmark LLMs API. So as you can see here, so if you imported the benchmarks, Kaggle benchmarks, and use this API called kbench.llm, you should be able to run a specific model, or you can list all the models that currently the Kaggle benchmark has. So those are the ideas. So you can see everything is listed in here. So we're gonna use this API to build the OpenAI compatible public endpoint. So in this video, so if you have not created a notebook, feel free to create one, but this is not a normal notebook. So you have to create a benchmark task. So to do that, you first go to the benchmark and go to this benchmark menu and click create a task. So this is a benchmark task. So it will have the credits attached. So if you go to the notebook you created, so if you go to the right side, you should be able to see the credits that's available for you to use per month and per day. So first, if you want to build this public accessible premium LLM OpenAI compatible API, just install all these dependencies, because we're going to use the Fast API to build it. You can use other frameworks like React or other Node.js frameworks, or even Java, but we're going to use the Fast API just for demo purpose. And then you have to install the curl NetTools. This is just for the testing. And then you can create the LLM API. So to do that, basically you have to import all these packages, and also just follow what I'm showing here. So you have to create a Fast API app, and in this implementation of the function, you can just call it kbench.llm model key. So this will give you the LLM access. And to run the prompt, just do a lm.prompt. So basically, this is gonna take everything from the input. So this will actually give you access to these different LLMs that's available on the benchmark. So this is just for testing, but for the actual implementation, you have to basically create a endpoint entrance. So this is for V1 models. You list all the models here, and you can create an OpenAI compatible endpoint. For example, you can create V1 chat completions. Then you can take the request, which is from the client, and then you just have to access the LLM.prompt and put the prompt in here. So whatever prompt you ask from the client, you can put anything or any customized code in here. So this is just for demo, so it's very simple and straightforward. So there's no very complicated logic here, but you can customize it whatever you want. So, and then you can just return with the chat response. So that's it. So then you have to spin up the fast API using the unicorn run, and also make sure the host is public accessible. So it's basically binding all the addresses. The port is 8000. Also, you can pick out other port as well, and then you can basically spin everything or the service in the background. So just make sure that this is basically running in the background using the benchmarks that environment.bin Python. So the default kernel environment for the benchmark text is different than the default notebook environment. So you can see it's actually from the benchmarks. So the default environment is from the user bin. So, and that's it. So this is actually how you spin up the service. So if you want to test it right away, you can just do this curl command. So basically it's running on 8000. You can quickly test it within the notebook itself. Also, you can actually run it with a public terminal. So this is a Gradio terminal. We demo this a lot in this channel. So just follow the tutorials, which you have the link in this video description. So, and then we just have to run this Gradio terminal with the port 8000, which is the fast API port. So that should be it. You can see everything has been spin up correctly. The model we use is Gemini 3 Pro Preview, and you can pick other models as we showed earlier. Then you should be able to get a response like this. So that's it. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.